In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a phone number from Discord. If you want to remove the phone number linked to your Discord account, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Removing your phone number is quick and only takes a few moments as long as you have access to your account. Keep in mind that Discord may use your phone number for account security and verification, so before removing it, make sure you're comfortable with any changes this may have on your account. With that in mind, let's get started. Begin by opening the Discord desktop app or the browser version and signing into your account if you haven't already. Once Discord is loaded, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your username. Right beside it, you'll find a small gear icon. Click this icon to open your user settings. This is where Discord stores all of your personal account information, security options, and profile settings. After the settings page opens, remain on the My Account section. This page displays important details about your Discord account, including your username, email address, and any phone number currently linked to your profile. Take a moment to confirm that you're viewing the correct account before making any changes. Next, locate the phone number section. If a phone number is connected to your account, you'll see it listed here. Beside it, click the Edit button to open the available options. Once the editing window appears, choose the Remove option. Discord will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the phone number from your account. For security purposes, Discord will request your account password before completing the change. This verification step helps ensure that only the account owner can modify sensitive account information. Enter your password carefully in the confirmation window, then continue with the removal process. After your password has been verified, Discord will remove the phone number from your account automatically. Once the process is complete, return to the My Account page to confirm the change. If everything works successfully, you'll no longer see a phone number associated with your Discord account. This lets you verify that the removal was completed correctly. And that's all there is to it. As you've seen, removing your phone number from Discord only requires a few simple steps. Just open User Settings, stay on the My Account page, edit your phone number, choose the Remove option, confirm your identity with your account password, and Discord will take care of the rest. You can always revisit the section in the future if you decide to add a phone number to your account again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.